Murphy's Law is as true today as ever. Whatever can go wrong will. It's nice when a problem pops up to have a simple plan you can execute to get things back to normal. You've seen servers crash, and the frenzy that goes along with recovery. Well, breathe easy because with SOLIDWORKS Electrical, it's simple getting back on your feet. With SOLIDWORKS Electrical's database architecture, you might assume you'd turn to your IT's database backups. However, the easiest and most reliable path to recovery is through the environmental archive. Archiving your environment allows users to create full data backup of all of your SOLIDWORKS Electrical files that can then be used to recover in one easy step. We would start by going to the File tab and clicking on Archive Environment to open the wizard where we can choose from our archiving options. Your users are responsible for this task, so plan a coordinated effort on a regular basis to safeguard your data. Please note that once the archive process begins, no one will be able to use SOLIDWORKS Electrical as this process closes off the database from edits, so plan this time accordingly. Now that we're in the wizard, select all objects. This would create a total data backup. This is always recommended anytime you're going to do a SOLIDWORKS version update or a new service pack. But this can also be planned and done on a routine basis in case you have data loss. This is your recovery file. You may also have need of some of the other available options. You can choose from a list of items to pack up projects, symbols, parts, and more. Say if you wanted to send some of these objects to other users in your corporate cluster, or maybe to a consultant who's helping you do some drawings. You may also use some of these other features to save time in the archiving process. You could select to archive only the objects that have been added or changed since you last did an archive. One other setting to consider sets a reminder for your users, so after a certain period of time, if an archive has not taken place, they will be reminded each time they open SOLIDWORKS Electrical. It won't force the archive to happen, but it will remind them each time. With your options selected, it's time to hit finish and tackle some other duties or grab lunch while this process wraps up. Again, if you're doing an all-object archive, this could take a while. It's a small price to pay for the peace of mind knowing your electrical installation can be recovered now quickly and easily.